It's a gorgeous day today, and I really wanted to get a start on cleaning up. Why not bring you guys with me? Queen G is finishing up with her juice and water, so I'm gonna let her finish that up. She wants to take her time, she said. I said all right, so I'm not gonna push her. I'm a caregiver, so she's my number one priority. I opened up the window, as you saw, just so that we can get some fresh air in the house. Today I think what I want to do is I want to trim a little bit of the bushes here and just try to clean it up a bit. What I get myself into out here. It's gonna be rather warm today, so I want to try to get this done as soon as I can. And I didn't want to shower or get ready or put any makeup or do my nails, what I really want to do. But before I do all that, if I had to get dirty, then let's do it now before I take my shower and get ready for the day, you know what I mean? And before it starts getting really warm up here. I thought, why not grab the camera and share with y'all. Alright, first things first, I need to get the trimmer there and the extension cord. But yeah, and then one day I'm going to have to take everything out and organize all my gardening stuff. Oh, by the way, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life, a variety channel giving hope and encouragement to others as a homemaker and caregiver in a positive way. Because things happen in life and we should make it as lovely as we can. And that includes our spaces outside our home, like our yard and garden. In this video, it's a flower bed cleanup for spring. A speed clean with me, only it's in my yard today. I wish I had him to do it. But nope, it's all me today, and that's okay. I'm taking my time, beginning at one end and working my way down the flower bed. Flowerbed has been through many changes, and I'm finally beginning to like where it is now. However, after cleaning it up today, I'm not gonna lie, I'll be eager to plant more variety of flowers for spring and summer to enjoy. I'm pretty sure the employees at my garden nursery know me by my first name. It's definitely time to trim this corner plants here, always in hand with my pruners and shears around here. Who knew? My rosemary bush grew out of control again, and I like to share some of my cuttings in the little basket I hang over our fence along with some lemons for the lucky ones. You know what I mean? Sharing is caring. I've been keeping an eye on my next door neighbor's blue morning glory vine that seems to try to grow over into our yard. That became a monster of a vine after time. I love to create a nice clean manicure of a garden. Not like this, I mean, I wish! And so sorry if I let you down. What was that? When did I get into gardening? Did I hear someone ask? I didn't get into anything yard related until late in my 40s, then really getting into it as it was a place for me to escape from the day-to-day trapped inside being a full-time caregiver. I wanted to create a beautiful place for my mom and us to enjoy while staying home. You know, the whole stay at home period, quote and unquotes, and I'm using my little fingers there. Yeah, that led to a victory garden. And if you've seen those videos, then you know. And if you haven't, then go watch those videos. It took several tries of different plants to really see what worked and didn't. So take your time and remember you could always start fresh every season if you want to. I was lucky enough to find some perennials that worked all year, and now I just plant annual flowers in between for each season. You can check out which planting zone you're in by asking Google or Siri which planting hardiness zone you at. Start there, I say. For all you curious ones, I'm in Zone 10A. Holla! temperature is climbing to the 80s right about now, and all I'm thinking of is the finish line. I would love to get to my vegetable and fruit containers, but right now they're doing fine and growing well as could be. I'm working on another update on my tomatoes and strawberries video for you, so keep a lookout for that. I have dinner in the crock pot, house is pretty much tidy, so next is to put on my caregiving hat for Queen G next. Multitasker I am, and I like to share it with all of you because even gardening and yard work is part of my pretty much everyday week life, which I'm glad because it has become my happy place. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get into those, but it's like giving a haircut. I mean, they just keep growing and growing and growing. Next up is this. I'm letting it overgrow because I want it to fill like a ground cover, and I think it's gorgeous with all the flowers and it's starting to bloom. I just need to cut back here and there, and there's some weeds I can spot with my little eye that I can pull. Alright, I had to put the umbrella on because it is now getting warm and time for me to go in. Alright, there we go. We're ready for today to enjoy underneath the shade. Maybe get some lemonade or something like that because it is warm. I'm so glad I got that off my to-do list today, and now my family and I can enjoy the backyard on these gorgeous California sunny days we get around this time of year. I hope this gave you some inspiration to grow something or even to just clean your outside space. Make it lovely. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below and tell me what you've got growing, subscribe and watch the next gardening video.